Your life is slipping away and you feel it every single day. You want to change, but you can't stay consistent. You watch self-improvement videos, get motivated for 2 days, then collapse back into the same cycle, not because you're weak, but because your brain is addicted to cheap dopamine. You pick up your phone for 20 minutes, and suddenly your goals, promises, and discipline disappear. Your mind chooses comfort, your confidence breaks, and anxiety takes over. You're not failing because you don't want change. You're failing because your system is broken. And I know this loop because I lived in it too. So here are the 3 steps that finally break it. 1. Set one real goal, not 10, not 20. 1. Choose the goal that scares you most, the one that actually matters. Write 3 solid reasons why you must achieve it. Reasons strong enough to pull you out of bed even when you hate your life. 2. Track and commit. Make a simple 1-month habit tracker. Every day, mark it. If you did the work, if you didn't. No excuses. No overthinking. If you break your system once, you break your identity. Commit like your life depends on it, because it does. 3. Carry your key habit. A pen and a small notebook. Always. This is your anchor. When you lose this, you lose every habit connected to it. Write your plan, your progress, your failures. Keep it in your pocket like your life's remote control. If you follow these 3 steps with honesty and brutality, every problem you're drowning in will start to die at the root. No one is coming to save you. This time, it's you versus you. And you're out of excuses.